This video will show the user on how to create an item-wise credit note against an invoice. Scenario: let's say we have to raise a credit note, item-wise, on the customer for quality discount on account of poor quality of goods supplied, against an invoice. Log into EPPS ERP. Select the Finance and Accounting module. Select the credit note transaction. Select the required location from the drop-down list. Select the EPPS and sub-EPPS code as GST credit note, and click the Create button. From the Customer, Supplier drop-down field, select the desired party. In the drop-down list of trans type, select the Credit Note Against Invoice option. Select the party, and other mandatory fields, and enter the narration. Click the Show button. A pop-up window appears, with a list of outstanding invoices. Select the transaction. Click Accept. The item-wise details appear in the grid. The items are fetched from the original invoice. Uncheck the item on which no discount is to be considered. Enter the percent at which credit note needs to be created. Select the base for calculation of credit note amount from the drop-down list. Click the Adjust Amount button. A pop-up window appears with the Add Ledger details. Select the ledger. Enter the amount, and click the Add button. Click the Accept button. The ledger details appear in the grid. The taxes are calculated based on the taxes calculated on the original invoice. Save and approve the transaction. A success window appears. Click on the FAS Voucher button to view the finance posting of the transaction. The finance voucher is displayed. Click on the Print button to view and print the credit note. The credit note report is displayed. Hope this video helped you on how to create an item-wise credit note with reference to an invoice. Thank you for watching.